Okay.
They are with the mobile connection, so they have said me, ma'am, you show it using a laptop. And it's okay.
Okay.
Whosoever has connected with the laptop, they can show the presentation, the website they have created.
But, so we will make them present whenever they want to present, one by one.
Yes, yes, one by one. We can do like this.
Yeah, we will do that. No issue. So
Okay.
in this session, we have to just have the presentation.
10 minute session I'm going to take. One logout form I have to make them create.
Okay.
After that, we will be up to that presentation only.
Okay. Then I think so. Then we can start the session, or we can.
50 people are connected. Let me wait for 1 minute more.
Okay, sure. Then you can start. After 1 minute,
okay.
You can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
Yes, Shivam, I got your project. I'm just opening that only. Ankush, please mute yourself.
क्या होने वाला है?
Ankush, Shivam, your project is working fine. Everything is being saved in the database. Shivam, you can reply me if your project is working fine or not, because I'm going to run that. Let me see. What name did you have made your database? I will make some different one. Otherwise, it will be. Where is your settings.py? But you have to create a database in XAMPP Maestro. You haven't sent me the full folder, Shivam, because I'm not able to see the settings.py file. It will be here. It will be ultimately created when I will do the make migrations. Na Shivam, it will be created. Okay, block form root. Okay, then. Make migrations. Good afternoon, Pushpender. Unknown database block form. BLG. Readme.txt. Okay, I'm trying, Shivam, to migrate it directly. So I'm not going to create that. Let me delete the migrations file. So how many are ready with their presentation? Can I hear you in the chat box? How many are you ready, please? If you are in group, you can tell me if you have made the project in the group. See, Shivam, your table has been created. The table name was, which you created was, there only same table in that. It's not opening. Why? Which tables you have created or non-migrated? Let me see the models. You have created only table blog. Okay. You haven't created any tables, username and password, Shivam? Okay. I have to create a table. It's not opening wire. Okay, let me see how it looks like. Your page looks like. All you have created. How to run which page? I can present it, but a lot of things are still not. Ashwani, it's okay. One by one, everyone will be presenting. It's okay if something is not working. Okay, you can tell me in that key I will work in the future. If I run index page, it will be running. Okay, table blog is not there. That's why it's not running. If I use post blog, okay, you have created this thing. Okay, this you have created. It's entering the blog and we can see it also, Shivam. Okay, you have also seen. Okay, we will firstly we will be covering the logout, then we will be having the presentation. I have import the project of Shivam, which he has made. Let me create a table for itself also. We will be able to demonstrate it perfectly. Your table name is blog. Attributes are ID, author name, Shivam, you have installed AnyDesk also? Okay, you can share me the password. On my WhatsApp if people or in the chat box also. Because it will be better if you run it from your side. I have to create too much changement. Okay, Nimrat. Write this for the log out. It will be the last thing which I am going to teach in this. You have to write this in the views. We are creating a function. In the function, what we are doing, then we log in into an account. The login is created. Login request. We are logging out to it. Hope everyone is writing. Okay. One thing who has made. Dipanshu, you can also install AnyDesk and show me through the AnyDesk. Hopefully you have written this. After that, in which file we will be making changement? Anybody? I can see your screen, Shivam. This is your screen. I think this is your screen. Move it. Open your Python. Yes, we are able to see your screen. Perfect. Okay. After this, in which file we will make change? After this, making this logout function, in which file we will make change? Anybody? We will be making changes in Shivam, Nimrat, Dipanshu, Shiva, Shizzle, where are you all? Okay. And login? No. In forms? No. Shizzle, no. Tamanna, yes. In URLs? Shizzle, yes. URLs. We are going to change, make changes in URL. Just we have to write this, call this logout function. Nothing, no forms I'm going to create. Just in login.html or home.html, I will add a link that I'm going to tell you. Write this, we will have the path of logout function. Then in templates.home.html, I'm going to add a link only where I will be calling this function. Add this. Anchor tag we are using, and just on clicking on logout button, we are redirecting to the URL logout. By this, you can create a logout. We have created the login session. Now by this, you can create the logout session. Only this slide. Hope everyone has done this. Yes, Shivam, I can see your website. We will be unmuting you, then you can present it. Till then, write it down fast. Everyone will be getting chance to present themselves, whatever they have made, whatever. A single page, a single form, a single website, it will be okay for us. You can create it afterwards, you can complete it afterwards. No, Shimam, wait till everyone is writing. We will be making you a presenter, then you can unmute yourself. You have to share on my screen only. Everyone has written this for the logout? Text me D if you have written. Okay, Shishil. Any page you want to see? Any doubts you want to ask? We can have it before I switch on to the presentation. Any doubts? Any page you want to see? Any code you want to see? Come on fast. You have 5 minutes to clear your doubts. Come on fast. After that, we are going to start the presentation. Okay, no doubts. So you want to see any pages, see any codes, want any codes? Can text me. Okay, Kashish, no doubts. Hope it's all been cleared. You have written every sort of codes. I've given plenty of time to write it down. Okay. Okay, all clear. Shiva, all clear. Ma'am, how to use default CSS? Okay, okay, data inbuilt. Okay, okay, Harshvi. See, one thing I'm going to tell you. We have free templates available. You can see free templates. Okay, Harshvi, these are the free templates which are available. Okay, these are the free templates. If you want your look and feel like this, you can simply download this. You have to go inside it. There will be some download. There will be some free download. You can download these templates. See, I'm downloading it. Okay, see this zip file will be downloaded. These are the pages. The look and feel of the pages you can see. It's not working properly. Let me see the next one, matrix. I wasn't having a pen drive, otherwise I will make you. Okay, you can download it from here and you can use these files. You can copy and paste these files in your folders, the JS file, the image file, the font file, the CS file, and the static folder. You can use it like that. Okay, you can download it from here. There are very free templates are available online. Okay, you can go for that. Hopefully, you got it. From where you can do it. Okay. Any more doubts? Okay, thank you, Ashvi. Any more doubts if anybody is having? Tell me. This Python extension, you have to resolve it by yourself. There is no other shortcuts for this. If directly it's not installed, you have to install it by one. If it's prevailing the same problem, uninstall your Python and PyCharm, reinstall it. And firstly, install the MySQL client, then install anything else. It will be work fine for that. Okay. I think many of them will be facing problem with MySQL client. In the starting, I already said you will be facing problem. So please resolve it. Otherwise, you are not able to work with the these databases. So, any doubts? I'm here. You can have it. You can ask me if any doubt is there. Come on fast. So there is no doubt. So we are starting with the presentation. So let me ask, Aman ma'am is there or not? Aman ma'am? Aman ma'am? I have the
Hello.
Let me check.
Hello.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ जी. Actually, yeah.
हाँ, Aman ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, they are going to start the presentation, so I want that you should be present. That's why I was calling you.
To whom I have to give the this right?
Just now you don't have to give any rights to anybody because they have only Shivam is going to present.
Okay.
Just now, and he has to mute herself, unmute. So you will be unmuting, or they have the capability to unmute themselves.
The presentation with you.
The presentation is with me. Only unmute Shivam.
Then he can unmute himself. Okay, I will see.
Okay, Shivam, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shivam. Now Shivam is going to present what he has made in the 5 days. Okay, Shivam.
मैम मैंने एक सिंपल ब्लॉगिंग वेबसाइट बनाने की कोशिश की थी यहाँ पर। तो यहाँ पर है हमारा होम पेज, एंड इसमें मैंने पहले कुछ रैंडम टेक्स्ट के साथ ट्राई किया था। तो यहाँ पर ऑथर नेम एंड टाइटल एंड हेडर इमेज जो हमने वहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई करेंगे वो है। उसके नीचे हमारा जो भी हम राइटअप तैयार करके लिखेंगे उसका है। फिर उसके बाद ये प्रिंट कर देगा एंड ऑफ ब्लॉग। इसी तरह अगर हमारे पास हेडर इमेज नहीं भी है तो ये यहाँ पर हमें हेडर इमेज की जगह ये हमें हेडर इमेज ऑल्ट टैग के थ्रू शो कर देगा, जैसा आप यहाँ सेकंड वाले उसमें देख सकते हैं। एंड लास्ट में भी मैम थोड़ा रैंडम ब्लॉग है। और
कोई
फिर मैम जो इसके साथ है, इसमें मैम 3 लिंक्स बनाए हैं, जिसमें हम एक में अपना ब्लॉग पोस्ट कर सकते हैं और एक अबाउट अस का। तो हमें यहाँ पर आने के बाद मैम पोस्ट ब्लॉग पे क्लिक करने के बाद हमारे पास ये पेज खुल जाएगा। स्क्रॉल डाउन करके हम यहाँ पर अपना ब्लॉग लिख सकते हैं। यहाँ पर एंटर योर नेम, जैसे मैं अगर अपना नाम लिख देता हूँ शिवम, एंड हेडर इमेज URL। तो यहाँ पर URL स्पेसिफाई करना होगा हमें अपना उसका वेबसाइट का, जहाँ भी हमारा हेडर इमेज है, और फिर ब्लॉग का टाइटल रैंडम ब्लॉग।
Shivam,
यहाँ पर मैम हम अपना
Shivam, are you doing something on your system?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why not you share your screen? I will give you the rights of presenter so that all of us can see what I
actually.
Right now, ma'am, you are not able to see the screen of mine.
Pardon? I am.
Ma'am, you are not able to see my screen.
Your screen is visible, but that is static. I think so. He is doing something.
No, his screen is on my screen only.
Okay.
I've taken a screen from the AnyDesk. So what he is showing, I think everyone is seeing.
But that's a static.
Can anybody?
I'm actually a static page.
Okay, everyone is able to see the pages of Shivam, which he is demonstrating towards through me. Okay. Anybody else can respond? Shazal is only able to see it. Can anybody respond? They are able to see my screen. Shiva, Harshveer. Yes. So you can see the Shivam screen. Shivam is presenting right now. Can anybody text me? Okay.
Shall I proceed, ma'am?
Yes, proceed it.
So मैम यहाँ पर हम अपने जहाँ पे अभी आप मेरा कर्सर देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर अपना हमें हमारा ब्लॉग लिखना होता है, तो फिर मैं अभी ये ऊपर से ही हेडर टेक्स्ट ही कॉपी कर लेता हूँ एंड यहाँ पे 2-3 टाइम्स इसको पेस्ट कर देता हूँ सो दैट मेरे को थोड़ा रैंडम टेक्स्ट मिल जाएगा। देन नाउ उसके बाद हमें यहाँ पे पोस्ट पे क्लिक कर देंगे तो हमारे पास मैसेज आ जाएगा ब्लॉग पोस्टेड सक्सेसफुली एंड उसके बाद जो हमारा ब्लॉग पोस्ट है मैम वो हमें होम पेज पे विजिबल होगा। लाइक लास्ट टाइम जब हमने इसको खोला था तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 ब्लॉग्स थे, बट दिस टाइम यहाँ पर 4 हैं, जो कि आप देख सकते हो। यहाँ पे टाइटल भी मैंने दिया था, रैंडम ब्लॉग फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन। आर यू एबल टू सी मैम? एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, Shivam.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Urvashi ma'am is not responding, please.
I think so. Some network issue is there.
Okay.
You can carry on. You can. Urvashi ma'am is joining very soon. At least some network connection problem is there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, my connection was lost, Shivam. So
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I'm connecting you again.
आपको मैम स्क्रीन शो हो रही है मेरी?
हाँ, अभी स्क्रीन शो हो रही है। अभी तुम्हारा वो हाँ वेबसाइट देखी, ठीक है।
ओके, तो मैम लास्ट टाइम जैसे आपने देखा जब मैंने अपना होम पेज खोला था तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 राइटअप्स थे। दैट इज एक पे मतलब सब पे सेम ही हेडर इमेज है, बट
रैंडम फॉर ये वाला जनरेट किया अभी। ओके,
ये था रैंडम ब्लॉग फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन। सो मैम इस तरह से एक सिंपल वेबसाइट है।
Shivam, can you show your database?
Yes, ma'am, I can show you. Wait, please. Local host PHP my admin. Okay.
That blog which you have created, it's been saved in the database, na? I want that only.
आपको मैम PHP my admin की स्क्रीन दिख रही है इस वक्त?
हाँ, दिख रही है। It's perfect.
Okay. So मैम ब्लॉग फॉर्म में मैम मेरा एक टेबल है ब्लॉग, वहाँ पर हमारे पास सारा हमारा स्ट्रक्चर है। स्ट्रक्चर में आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर आईडी, ऑथर नेम, हेडर इमेज, टाइटल एंड ब्लॉग पोस्ट।
वेरी गुड।
ब्रॉड हमारे पास यहाँ पे सारा डेटा हमें मिल जाएगा।
ठीक है, it's very nice that you have created such a blog website. It's good. You can enhance this. ठीक है?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, very good. मतलब in 5 days तुमने जो बनाया है it's incredible. मतलब तुमने 2 दिन work किया है. Designing is also good. You have added something and retrieve it also and displayed it perfectly. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Shivam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anybody else? Next one. Okay. Next, who will present? Come on, in the chat box. Now, who will present me? Who is the next to present, or I should call them random? Okay, Ashwani. Ashwani, you will be giving me the AnyDesk ID, or I will be making you a presenter? Let me try if I have the capabilities of making you the presenter. Ashwani Rathi. Okay. Ashwani, let me search for you. Where are you? The name is not coming. Let me see it again. Ankit, Pragati, Sudhanshu, Shivam, Manika, Jaideep, Shivansh, Namratak, Chahat, Surya. Let me search for you, Ashwani. It's not showing your name in the list which I am having. Let me see it. He might be here. Ashwani. Yes, Ashwani Rathi. I'm making your presenter, Ashwani. After your presentation is over, please hand over the presenter list to me. Okay? I'm making you. You can unmute yourself. Ashwani, can you have the screen? You can share the screen. Click on share the screen, Ashwani. Ashwani, can you hear me? Okay, your screen is visible perfectly. Now you can unmute yourself and elaborate me what site you have made. Ashwani, can you hear me? Ashwani, please unmute yourself. We are not able to hear your voice, Ashwani. We are able to see your screen. It's a mic problem. Okay. So you can demonstrate it. We will see by that only. Demonstrate it fast. See, Ashwani is demonstrating. The Walking Dead. It's a video. Which website you have created, Ashwani? You can chat, tell me in the chat box. If you have the headphones, you can use it. It will work perfectly if you have the headphones. Walking Dead app for fans. Okay. See, the look and feel is very good, Ashwani. We can see what you have done in this. Okay, okay. Show me the pages you have made. Show me the pages. Okay, these are the blogs. This is the home page. Press on the login. Okay, a login pop-up has been there. Okay, it is login. It's perfectly login, or it's like demonstrating only, Ashwani? It is working. Login page is working. Okay, good one. The contact one still giving errors. Okay, what is in the contact, Ashwani? Please click on the contact. Ashwani, close this window. Click on the contact. If you have used any database, so we can see the database which we have created, Ashwani. You can show me PHP admin if you have created any database. Ashwini, we cannot see anything from your side. Ashwini, can you hear us? Ashwini, can you hear me? It's anything working in your website, Ashwini? Okay, this is you have worked on Django. Show me. Okay. It's hardly problem, Ashwini. Tell us, we are able to see that. Okay. The same changes we can see in the website. Refresh the page. Okay, good. Good look and feel, Ashwini. You can make me the presenter back. Right click on my name and make a presenter. Make me a presenter. Good, Ashwini. You can make me the presenter. So these are also working. Ashwini, right click on my name and make me a presenter. In the people list, you can see my name. Right click on this and make me a presenter. My name is Urvashi Nag. Any problem if you are having, text me in the chat box. Okay, good. Good, Ashwini. Nice work. You have tried it very well. See, Ashwini, MySQL was not working, but still he has done the work using the Django admin, SQLite. Okay, Ashwini, hats off to you. Okay, very good. Good work by Ashwini and Shivam. Next, who is going to present? Next, who is going to present? Come on, fast. Otherwise, it will be randomly choosing. I will be randomly choosing. Come on, fast. Ekant, you want to show? Ekant? Shezal, Harshveer, Kashish, Nimrit, where are you all? Okay, Kant, it hardly matters. If you haven't worked properly, it's nothing like that. So I am having your access, Ekant. What was your ID? Can you tell me again? Any desk ID? Ekant, can you tell me again your ID? Show me as much as you have created. Okay, Nimrit, we will wait for you till the last. Okay. Ekant, can we have your ID again? Okay. See, now Ekant is going to present what he has created till here. Okay, Ekant. Your screen is here. You can unmute yourself, Ekant. Ekant, we are able to see your screen. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ekant, tell us. We can see your screen.
Ma'am, I have made a shopping site, but I have not implemented the add to cart and my orders page.
It's okay.
I have used Navbar here and Carousel here.
The form are working, Ekant. Okay. Login is not working. You can make me able to see one form, feedback form only. Show me the table. Okay, good. Good one, Ekant. It was very good. You have worked on the designing part. You have also worked on the, I think, the backend also. But some linking have been missing. So you can do it. You can make make this website more attractive and more interactive. Okay? Good work, Ekant. Good. Disconnecting it. Anybody else? Very nice, Ekant. Hats off to the persons who are demonstrating, really hats offing, and they have made a very good website. Starting stage in 5 days, I cannot expect that you will rock on and make a very drastic, dynamic website. It's good. In the starting phase, you can make this only in 5 days. I want anybody else who can demonstrate. Come on fast. Cecil, where are you? Next on yours. Jyoti, Shejal, Shiva, Harshveer. Come on, come on. Who is the next? Or I should make them the presenter. Come on fast. Okay, Shejal, what are you working on? It's okay. Tell जितना बने उतना दिखा दो. Work हम बाद में करते रहेंगे, Shejal. ठीक है? It's not like that कि मुझे complete चाहिए. कोई नहीं, तुम मुझे ओनली द डिस्प्ले पेज दिखा दो कि मैम ये पेज बना है, इससे ये लिंकिंग करूंगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा बस. ठीक है? मुझे अपना फ्यूचर प्लान भी बता देना कि मैम ये गलती आ रही है और ये सही कर दूंगा मैं. ठीक है? डजंट मैटर कि तुम्हारा कितना चल रहा है. 1 पेज इज इनफ फॉर मी. तो कुछ मेन पेज तो चल रहा होगा शीशल. चलो, और कौन दिखाएगा मुझे? कशिश, दीपांशु, कशिश, अच्छा निमृत तो बाद में दिखाएगी, शेजल भी आखिरी में दिखाएगा। और अभी और कौन दिखा रहा है मुझे? नेक्स्ट, किसी ने ग्रुप में बनाया हो तो भी चल जाएगा। अमन, अंकित, अनिकेत, चाहत, हर्षवीर, ज्योति, जया, तमन्ना, who is showing me the next? कोई नहीं है, किसी का कुछ नहीं बना एक भी पेज। Only the 3 and 4 persons are good enough to show me. Next, who is going to show me? Fast in the chat box, please. किसी ने एक पेज भी बनाया हो तो वो भी दिखा सकता है। It's enough for two days. If you have made only one page, it will be fine. एक फॉर्म भी बनाया होगा तो भी चलेगा। Next, who is going to show me? Come on, nominate yourself. You are big enough that, ma'am, I can present. I should not point out ki you should present or not. You should nominate yourself. And see, Ekant, Ashwani and Shivam has nominated them by themselves कि मैम I would like to present. उनकी जिद्दी चल रही थी, उन्होंने उतनी दिखाई। Next, who is going to demonstrate? No one? Savita? Savita, you want to demonstrate? Yes, Surya. Good, Surya. Clap for Surya. He has demonstrated itself. Connect. Thank you, Surya, for nominating yourself. You can present it. Your screen is there. You can unmute yourself whenever you feel comfortable. Your internet connection is proper, Surya? Waiting for the images. Okay. Now you can start demonstrating, Surya. We are listening to you.
Yes.
Okay.
मैम शॉपिंग साइट बनाई है फर्नीचर की, उसके अंदर लॉगिन और अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके फर्नीचर के प्रोडक्ट्स एंटर करने के लिए डाली है फॉर्म। अभी
लोग कोई नहीं। Okay. Good. ये जो इमेजेस आ रही हैं ये डेटाबेस से आ रही है?
मैम यस मैम, डेटाबेस ऐड कर रहा है इनका। और मैम और प्रोडक्ट ऐड कर, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन रखा है ऐड डिटेल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट का। मैम लैग कर रहा है आई थिंक मेरे इधर से और वीडियो में।
अच्छा कोई नहीं, अभी विल वेट। तो हाँ थोड़ा कनेक्शन स्लो होगा और तुम धीरे धीरे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करो। ऐड डिटेल्स पे क्लिक करो। गुड। ये चल रहा है पूरा पर इंसर्ट हो रहा है डेटाबेस में?
मैम यस।
ठीक है।
मैम ये उसका प्रोडक्ट का डेटाबेस है।
ठीक है।
इसके अंदर ये पहले ये टेबल, डाइनिंग टेबल, कंप्यूटर डेस्क एडिट था, अभी ये रेक्लाइनर ऐड करा है हमने।
ठीक है।
और यहाँ पे मैम लॉगिन का भी डेटाबेस तैयार किया है। इसमें दो यूजर्स क्रिएटेड है।
डेटाबेस कैसे ये मतलब रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं तब इसमें आ रहा है, सेव हो रहा है?
मैम यस मैम, लॉगिन
वेरी
डिटेल
नाइस देन। ठीक है।
प्रोडक्ट की तरह ही है लगभग, यूजर नेम, कॉन्टैक्ट, ईमेल, पासवर्ड।
ठीक है, ठीक है, गुड। अभी तुमने लॉगिन नहीं लगाया ना इसमें, जो आज कराया मैंने?
मैम ये लॉगिन का सिर्फ रजिस्टर का डेटाबेस लगाया, ऑथेंटिकेशन वाले ने लगाया। एक बार ही हम सारी डिटेल्स एंटर कर देंगे ना, रजिस्टर हो जाएंगे। उसके बाद यूजर नेम को यूज करके लॉगिन कैसे करना है अभी वो नहीं लगाया।
चलो ठीक है, उसको लगा लेना, आज ही सीखा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आज लगा लेना फिर।
यस।
चलो वेरी नाइस। So nice of you. इसने बहुत अच्छा बनाया। एक्चुअली आई वांटेड दिस कि जितना मैंने किया है उतना भी आप कर लेंगे ना, बहुत है। सूर्या वेरी गुड, यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग व्हिच आई हैव मेड इन दिस 5 days। ठीक है, सब कुछ। इट्स वेरी गुड दैट यू हैव प्रैक्टिस एवरीथिंग व्हिच आई टोल्ड। आज लॉगिन करा है तो कल तुम लॉगिन भी कर लोगे। वेरी गुड,
थैंक यू मैम।
चलो कीप इट अप। इसको और अच्छी बनाओ कि हम इसे होस्ट कर सके वेबसाइट को। ठीक है, ऐसे सबको वेबसाइट बनानी है जो सब होस्ट कर सके अपना। ठीक है, चलो गुड। आई एम डिस्कनेक्टिंग यू, देन यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। ओके, नाइस। एनीबॉडी एल्स who wants to see? I don't want a very big project, I just want कि आपने कितना किया है इन 5 दिनों में मैं देख सकती हूँ। आपने एक फॉर्म भी बनाया होगा ना, I will be very happy for that. Only 4 students have demonstrated me, 4. Come on fast. Anybody else? That's not working, my friends. First was Shivam. Second was, I think, Ashwani. Third was Ekant. And fourth is Surya. I want everyone, only 4 students have presented till yet. Fifth one is अब कौन प्रेजेंट करेगा? कम ऑन फास्ट। Nominate yourself by yourself. I'm not going to nominate yourself. Come on fast. But lights are okay, Ashvir, okay. Anybody else? Okay, Rajat, can you unmute yourself? Rajat?
Yes, ma'am.
Rajat, tell me that what you have made here. I'm showing you a screenshot.
मैम बस मैम एक ये फर्स्ट पेज ही बने मैम, कुछ आगे सर्च मार रहा हूँ तो एपीआई की एरर बता रहा है मैम, आगे वर्क करना है इसके ऊपर। यस मैम, कोई वीडियो का यूआरएल पे पाएंगे तो वीडियो वॉच कर सके हम।
Okay, good. At least you are working on this. Good.
Yes,
तो कुछ डेटाबेस कनेक्शन भी किया है तुमने?
नो मैम, मैम मोबाइल पे करा था ना, तो मोबाइल पे डेटाबेस नहीं बन रहे।
ओके, चलो ठीक है,
Okay,
गुड
ma'am.
रजत। चलो, Rajat has also send me the page she has made. Let me see anybody else. Shivam has already told me. Okay. Dipanshu, can you unmute yourself? Dipanshu, can you hear me? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what you have
Hello.
made. What you have made?
मैंने 2 प्रोजेक्ट, मैम एक तो ये रन कर गया था और दूसरा बूटस्ट्रैप पे बनाया था। तो मैम वहां पे जाके ना मैम मैम उसमें मैम साइट नहीं हो रही मैम। 3 प्रोजेक्ट बनाए थे उसमें मैंने मैम पूरा हो गया, बस आखिर में एक एरर, एट्रीब्यूट एरर बता रहा है मैम स्पेस का। मैम उसको रिमूव कर
अभी
दूंगा।
आपने क्या बनाया है?
हम अभी ऐसी साइट बनाई थी अपनी, पिप इंस्टॉल करके अपना नाम डाला था हेलो वर्ल्ड करके, और व्यू पीवाई में डाला था, यूआरएल में भी अपलोड कर दिया था उसको रन कराने के लिए।
अभी केवल मतलब नेम डाला, अभी कुछ बनाया नहीं है तुमने?
यस मैम, मैम उसको बना रहा था सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट मैम, उसमें थोड़ा एरर आ रहा है अभी।
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो उसको ट्राई करना, कंप्लीट करना, एटलीस्ट मैंने जितना कराया उतना करना, क्योंकि मुझे ये तो फर्स्ट डे हमने करवाया था कि अपना नेम प्रेडिक्ट करवाना। वेलकम
मैम बोल रही थी कि 2 टेम्पलेट्स बनेंगे, एक इंडेक्स का बनेगा और एक उसका बनेगा अपना डिटेल का, इमेज अगर हम कोई ऐड करा रहे हैं उसको। तो मैम एक तो टेम्पलेट्स बन गया मैम, पर मैं मोबाइल में बना रहा हूँ तो दूसरे टेम्पलेट्स नहीं बन रहा मैम। मैम उसके लिए कमांड भी डाली मैंने मैग्नेट करके, टेम्पलेट्स भी ऐड करा, नाम भी डाला इंडेक्स करके मैम, पर वो वहां पे शो हो जा रहा है, पर फाइल मैनेजर में शो नहीं हो रहा मैम। मैम उसका क्या रीजन होगा?
उसमें कोई एरर आ रही है, कुछ आ रहा है? तुम स्क्रीनशॉट खींच के भेजो, फिर मैं देखती हूँ कि क्या उसको कैसे रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं।
यस मैम। मैम वहाँ पे शो हो रहा है पर फाइल मैनेजर में नहीं शो हो रहा।
फाइल में नहीं जा रहा वो?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, मुझे एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट जब इंपोर्ट करा रहे हो ना, तो मुझे भेजना कि कैसे करा रहे हो।
ओके
ठीक है, चलो ठीक है। Nobody else have given me the project. This much was that. Only 6 students. Harshveer is trying. Okay, Jyoti and Namrit will be presenting at the last. They have some problem in their PC. They are reinstalling this. Anybody else except Jyoti and Namrit? Harshveer is sending me. He has some network issue. Anybody else? Now, who is going to present? Nominate yourself. See, only 6 persons have just presented. I have their names. Tamanna Tushar. DEEPANSHU. That is I have written. Dipanshu Sharma. Okay. ओके ज्योति, शाम को तो कोई प्रेजेंटेशन ही नहीं है। अभी मुझे था कि आपने जो काम किया है ना, दूसरे देखना चाहिए कि आपने क्या किया है। दे शुड लर्न फ्रॉम योर वर्क. It's not for me, it's for everybody. Anybody else? कोई नहीं ज्योति. Next, anybody? Shazel? Okay, Nimrit. Okay. ठीक है. You can display it. Should I log in with this ID, Nimrit? Achha, it's another laptop. So how will you demonstrate? I should make you a presenter. Okay, you are installing. Okay. Anybody else? Nimrit is going to present. Nimrit is going to present next. Next, who is going to present? Shazel is not responding. Why, Shazel? We will wait for Nimrit. Then I think nobody is going to present. Shazel, would you like to present? Okay. Your problem has been resolved or not? Chalo, koi nahi. We will have the Nimrit presentation, then we will end this because no one is going to present then. At least you have created one form or one page, everybody. This was expected from your side कि एक पेज तो आपको बनाना ही चाहिए था. एक पेज, एक फॉर्म, उसी की वर्किंग दिखा देते. इतने तो मैंने ही कोड्स दिए थे आपको. सी एकांत ने कितने परफेक्टली आपको दिखाया. उसने वही कोड दिखाया, एक्चुअली उसने इम्प्लीमेंट किया. शिवम अश्वनी ने तो दूसरा ट्राई किया. ओके निमृत. Some permission is lacking. Nimrit. अच्छा. You can show me the source code, तुषार. देखिए तुषार, अगर ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो तुम सोर्स कोड दिखा सकते हो. Nimrit, some internet connection problem is there with your system. See. Okay. Done almost. Shazel, you can also make me show your codes. ठीक है? Shazel, तुषार, आप कोड दिखा देना मुझे. अगर आपका वर्क नहीं कर रहा है आप उसको बाद में ठीक कर लेना. ठीक? चलो. Nimrit, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, please a little bit louder, Nimrit.
Yes, ma'am. I created this home page using Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS.
Scroll down.
Ma'am, I added these icons and just some text relating to Bootstrap and footer. And I've connected it to Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, and LinkedIn.
They are connected or just icon is there?
Ma'am, the icon is here. I will add the address of Facebook, then it will redirect us to Facebook.
You will be making which website using this template?
Ma'am, I was just trying to make the good front end. So I added the button and slideshow. It's
Did you have
also
created any form which I have made before, rather than this project?
not in this project. Forms are not in this project. It's made mobile friendly as well as desktop friendly. I'm showing you in mobile version also. 1 second.
Nimrit, can you show me any form of yours? I know your database is not working, so I will not tell you to link that. Only I want to see that any form you have created till now.
Actually, that's in some and that's another is PC, but I reinstalled the PyCharm. That's creating issue. I need
Okay,
to
okay.
reset
Okay,
the
no
setting.
problem then. Okay, no problem.
This is the website. Yes, ma'am. It's mobile friendly. The button size and all the icons are according to mobile screen.
Okay, okay. Actually, you have used Bootstrap. Bootstrap are basically for that only. कि हम मोबाइल पे चलाए या इंटरनेट पे चलाए तो वो उसी तरह फ्रेंडली हो जाता है. ठीक है, चलो यू शो इट एवरीवन. सबको पता होना चाहिए
बैकएंड को भी
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Nimrit. At least you have tried. Good. And try to finish this website, huh? Don't
Okay,
leave
ma'am.
it in between. Try to complete it.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Good one, good one. Paste has sent me the. Nimrit, Nimrit, mute yourself. It's good, better that you have tried. Mukesh, these are the codes which you have made. Can you mute yourself and unmute yourself, Mukesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Mukesh, tell me what you have made.
Ma'am, I made a simple page by clicking it link the server. If we create and
You
ma'am,
can
we
talk
can
in
write.
Hindi. You can tell me in Hindi.
Ma'am, you can write in block something and it will display in the terminal. That what we will write in anything, it will be clicked, or after that it will display on terminal what we have written.
तो इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं भेज सकते थे आपकी आपने जो करा है वो डिस्प्ले हो भी रहा है.
Yes, ma'am, I can send it, but it will take 2 or 3 minutes.
I don't need code. I need the GUI which you everyone can see. ठीक है मुकेश?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will
send me
send
that.
right now.
आपका डिस्प्ले कैसा दिख रहा है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Good. At least you have sent code. It means you have worked. Sir, I didn't got any mail from your side. Achha, I will mail you. Okay, ma'am. Anybody else who want to present? I have only 8 presented till yet. 8 persons from you have presented. I want any Mukesh, please mute yourself and send me the code, then unmute. Shejal, you can also show me the code with that is working. The screen, only one screen is working. It's okay then. So anybody, should I wait? Hazel has mailed me. Let me check when it comes. Mail ID. Okay, Ashmi, I will wait till 2. The persons that are ready to present, I will wait for them. Okay, 2-3 students are mailing me. I will wait for them. For Ashmi, we will also wait. He's trying to present us something. Chahat, you can also present something. Khushi, Madhuri, Manan, Manjot. Pushpendra. Tamanna. Tamanna, why you are not chatting anything today? Actually, जो जिनके नेम मैं ले पा रही हूँ उनके मैंने नाम सुने हुए हैं और वो मुझे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, इसीलिए मैं ले पा रही हूँ. So you're still waiting for your mail. Oh. शेयर और किसी का स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं था, कोड ही चल रहा है, केवल कोड नहीं चल रहा. कुछ स्क्रीन आ रही है शेजल इस कोड की? Here you can unmute yourself and tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, Hazel.
मैम समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि एरर कौन से कोड में है।
अच्छा, इसको आप रन करते हो तो आपको कोई स्क्रीन दिखती है?
नो मैम।
अच्छा, अभी नहीं दिख रही है। तो इसको आपने किस नेम से सेव किया हुआ है? आप इसे किसी नेम से सेव करो HTML में, ठीक है? और सिंपल ऐसे कॉल कर लो व्यूज में। व्यूज में रेंडर करके इस पेज को कॉल करो और इसका URL पास कर दो urls.py में। इट विल रन। जो लिखा है ना तुमने उसका कुछ दिखेगा कि क्या बन रहा है।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है?
यस मैम।
ओके तुषार, चलो शेजल हैज आल्सो ट्राइड। Okay. Now Mukesh, you can unmute yourself. हाँ, चाहत इसके बाद आपकी, ठीक है? मुकेश, मुकेश।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अब बताओ।
Ma'am, I have written a simple page. Here we can write a command of anything, or anything we can write. If we not click this remove punctuation and click analyzing text, then it will show error. And if we click remove punctuation and write anything, it will don't show the error and it will display the things.
Okay. So, the text which we are writing here, it's been saved in somewhere else.
Not ma'am, not saved.
Achha, it's not being saved. Okay. Mukesh, what is this? It's your face?
No ma'am.
Angry face? It's an angry one?
No ma'am.
Okay, चलो ठीक है। Chat, okay. Chat, should I make you a presenter? Chahat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to make you presenter.
Okay.
Now, Chat, please accept the request and share the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible?
It is not being shared yet. The voice is audible. Now it's being shared.
Okay, so I've made this website where one can view these different book series. Like I've added these 3 entries, and I've used the I've used the SQLite 3 for to add the database. And if we open this, this is a short description of the series, which I've copied from Google, and you can see the genre. And this is the Goodreads link, which leads us to this review website, Goodreads. And there's also a blog.
Chat, your voice is breaking. Be a little bit slower. Your screen is not being synchronized. I want the home page to be seen. Click on the home page.
All right. Is it visible, ma'am?
हाँ, यही आपका हैरी पॉटर वाला होम पेज है।
Yes, ma'am. They are the different book series, Harry Potter series.
हाँ, ये मेन है ना, ये मेन होम पेज है। इसको स्क्रॉल करना ऊपर।
Yes, ma'am.
ऊपर स्क्रॉल करना, क्योंकि तुम्हारी स्क्रीन धीरे धीरे शेयर हो रही है।
मैम टॉप पे है।
अच्छा, अब भी तो मुझे वो दिख रहा है हैरी पॉटर। इसके ऊपर भी कुछ है?
उसके तो बस हेडर है, बुक सीरीज जिसके ना लिखा है।
हाँ, दिखाना भैया। दैट्स आई वांट टू सी। ओके, ठीक है। इस पे मैं हैरी पॉटर पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ, बुक पे।
यस, मोर इंफॉर्मेशन। दिस इज द बटन हियर। आई यूज बूटस्ट्रैप कार्ड्स फॉर दिस।
ओके, क्लिक करने के बाद क्या हो रहा है?
वो series के बारे में information खुलती है. We can see here about the series, and here's the information and the genre and the Goodreads link. And if we
So
click
these
on
are
this
the
link,
static pages, or you have access this using the Django admin?
These are the static pages, but there's also a blog associated with this. Let me show you that. Here's the blog where I've already added one review and one can leave comments. But the problem is that
slow. Your blog is not visible on the screen. Be slow. Will be taking time to getting on your. Now it's being there. Okay.
Can you see it?
Ha.
Okay. So this is the blog and this is the blog index. And here I can post reviews of the books that I've read. And for example, I did this. And this is a review which I've copied from Goodreads, by the way. And one can even leave comments here. Although this specific part isn't working, to be frank. For example. But this part isn't working. But one can add blog posts from Django admin. Like whatever. I'm just adding anything randomly. And we can select any categories. And these categories have their own separate entry here. And we can add the categories from here. And then we can link these categories with the specific posts from here.
अभी आप जब इस पे पोस्ट कर रहे हो तो ये डेटाबेस में तो नहीं आओ स्क्रीन पे तो नहीं आ रहा ना ब्लॉग अगर मैंने ब्लॉग में कुछ कमेंट ऐड किया है तो
आना चाहिए एटलीस्ट कल तक तो आ रहा था लेट्स सी
अच्छा देखना ब्लॉग में भी जो तुमने कमेंट ऐड किया है ना रिव्यू वो क्या डिस्प्ले हो रहा है ब्लॉग वाले कमेंट्स पे
लेट मी डू दिस अगेन जस्ट अ सेकंड
add one blog using the Django site admin and then try to fetch it using your website.
All right. Okay, here it is. It's showing. And we can click on it and we can see this was the thing which I had written. And it's been added. We can see from here also. This was the thing.
Perfect. Okay, good chart. You have worked on it. It's been visible that you have actually worked on it. Chat, please share your code with me. Share your whole folder and create a zip file and mail me.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I will do that.
You have my mail ID?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. urvashinag9@gmail.
urvashinag07@gmail.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it now.
Okay, good work, Chat. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, you have worked on this.
Thank you,
and you can improve this more, create more forms. You have now the books have been statically showing. You can be dynamic and have the database for it, and from the database it can be fetched.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, now you make me a presenter. Right click on my name and make me a presenter.
Okay.
Okay, Surya, I will be sending you.
Right.
Did you find Chahat? My name?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice work from Chahat. Very incredible. उसने अच्छे से किया, बहुत अच्छे से implement किया है. It's your spelling is like this, no, Chahat? Okay. Chahat is also presented. Anybody else? Harshveer, आप present करोगे आप? Harshveer, would you like to present now? It's 2 almost. कोई नहीं और कोई So my CSS file is another folder. Nothing is being shown. It means it has been not properly connected. The page linking is not properly. ठीक है, तो फिर आई डन विद दिस. कोई और तो नहीं है प्रेजेंट करने के लिए? Okay. So any doubts? Aman ma'am, there are only 10 students are presented. Thank you everyone. Such a nice interaction with you all. Acha, Siddharth want to present. Okay, Siddharth, should I make you Siddharth? Okay. Should I make you a presenter, Siddharth? Ha, Kamal, you can mail me.
Siddharth, what you have done, you can present whatsoever you have done.
Let me make you a presenter. Siddharth, you can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and click on the share link, which is coming on your screen now. Achha, no ma'am, not now. Okay. Okay. So discard that screen. Discard that screen. Okay. So जितना बनाया सिद्धार्थ तुम उतना दिखा सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि I want the better. I should see a better version of that. जितना बनाया उतना भी दिखा सकते हो. Would you like to, Siddharth? No. Okay. Harshveer, let me see if I received any mail. Yes, I have received. You should have sent me the screenshot. Okay. Aman ma'am, please make me a presenter. Achha, I have not tried to. Okay, thank you, ma'am. See, this have been mailed by Harshveer. Harshveer, you can unmute yourself and tell me. Harshveer.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I have tried to make a shopping site as you आपने जैसा हमें पढ़ाया था उसमें मैंने एक सेम वही स्टेप्स फॉलो किए हैं. अभी मैं सिर्फ एक इमेज ऐड कर पाया हूँ, मतलब जो ऑर्डर की है, और ऊपर 3 ऑप्शंस आप देख सकते हैं, प्लेस ऑर्डर, लॉग इन एंड साइन अप. तो अगर हम प्लेस ऑर्डर पे क्लिक करेंगे, मैम प्लीज स्क्रॉल डाउन.
हाँ, स्क्रॉल करो.
जैसे हम साइन अप, हाँ जी, अगर साइन अप पे क्लिक करते हैं तो ये फॉर्म ओपन हो जाएगा. इसमें हम डिटेल्स ऐड कर सकते हैं एंड फिर वो डाटाबेस में ऐड मतलब सेव हो जाएंगी एंड वी कैन साइन अप. उसके बाद हम
परफेक्टली रन कर रहा है.
मैम अभी मतलब इनकम्प्लीट है, पूरा नहीं हुआ है वो.
अच्छा, ठीक.
प्रोसेस, हाँ जी. उसके बाद अगर हमने प्लेस ऑर्डर करना है, हमें कोई चीज़ पसंद आई है तो हम प्लेस ऑर्डर पे क्लिक करके रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म है, इसमें हम फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, ईमेल, डेट ऑफ बर्थ और अपना एड्रेस मतलब सबमिट करके हम ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं, सो दैट जो वेबसाइट है वो जो एड्रेस दिया गया है वहाँ पे कोरियर कर सके. तो मैम अभी इनकम्प्लीट है. हाँ जी.
नहीं, जितना 5 days में बिका, आई कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि आप बहुत अच्छा बना लोगे. इट्स वेरी गुड कि आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया. इसको कंप्लीट करके रखना.
यस
Harshveer.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Harshveer has presented me. Shishil, you can see this is coming. Anybody else? Okay, then we are done with this. Shiva, you are mailing me. Should I wait? Shiva, Kamal, are you mailing me? Should I wait or I should finish the lecture? You can unmute yourself and tell me. Shiva and Kamal. Shiva and Kamal, you have texted me, na, ma'am, can we mail the project or not? You can tell me. I didn't got any mail from your side. Ma'am, I do not have it. Okay. So we are done with this. 11 has presented me. Okay. So I'm very thankful to everyone, those who participated in the lectures, who have listened my lectures and practiced it and make such a beautiful sites. Hope they're going to complete this website in the future and making it online, so we can see that they are made by such a good student. So thank you everyone. Thank you, Ekant. Good work, Ekant. Hope to see you good. Thank you, Tushar. Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Hand over to Aman ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Ruchi. Thanks for these nice sessions, these 5 days. And I have seen the work done by a few of the students, but I was expecting that each and everyone should present. But I don't know why they are not able to present. So anyhow, just update me if anyone else will mail you later on by a day or 2 days. Please update me, so that obviously we will have some grades for the students. We have done the evaluations, so we will add the marks who had presented and who will mail you. And thank you very much. Thank you very much. All the sessions were very
Thank you, ma'am.
Nicely handled by you. So
Hello.
Yeah, Mukesh sir, are you there?
जी
हाँ,
madam, good afternoon.
हाँ.
जी Urushi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I'm audible?
You are audible, I think so. There is some problem from Mukesh's side. Sir, are you
Ji, Urushi ji, really thanks a lot. We really are very thankful to you for conducting, for devoting such a, you can say, yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. We are very thankful to you, ma'am, for devoting days of you. Okay.